Are you waiting for him? Yeah. Okay. No, I'm like, no.
Is it a video? I think it's video.
They made me stay on the pole outside naked.
We made it to Utah. Hello, welcome back to another adventure. We've made it out to
Arches National Park.
There it is. We have friends with us this time.
I know. Look, oh wow, look. Yeah, keep that, hold that point. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, hold the point. Wow. Oh gosh, that's so good. It's just like something my dad wanted me to get. Yeah. Get these things.
Paddling down the river. Colorado River.
Put a finger through it.
Alright, this is Doughbird's Donuts and Coffee. That is the maple, and this is a strawberry cake donut of some sort.
Let's cut into it. Taste test.
Oh, it's like it's
Is
just
it
like,
really good?
It's like, yeah. Here, try it. Okay, let's get the bladder
Fill that up.
out of the car, and I'll just pour this in there, and then I'll refill this bottle up.
Okay, sounds good. Here, I'll show it inside here a little bit. Matrimony Springs. Are you peeing?
People driving by would be like, "You guys just taking a tinkle right there."
Hey, Joe.
Okay, this is Schaefer Trail. And this is supposed to be Elvis Rock. You can kind of see it. There's a nose right there. And this big thing is his hair. And that's my beautiful wife, Macy. In front of the balance rock.
Oh yeah, look at that rock.
You ready?
You gonna push it? Oh no. Okay.
Water crossing. So we accidentally off-roaded all the way to Canyonlands National Park, and we're now at the Island in the Sky Visitor Center. And also,
We got our America the Beautiful
America the
pass.
Beautiful pass. We're official. This is the Salt Valley overlook. We're back in Arches.
We made it back to civilization.
Macy at the helm. I got tired of driving.
Steak, mashed
That's
potatoes.
Thank you. Is that hot? Okay.
I just have problems with reaching over.
No, that's fair.
We have a teriyaki bowl.
That's me. Thank you, sir.
And finally, the steak fettuccine. Thank you.
This looks amazing.
Let's go.
Thank you so much.
You all need anything else?
No? We're good?
No, we're good.
Good.
Macy, I don't know if I'm gonna make it down this.
Me either.
Okay.
We'll find a way. We did it! I need it and crap every time I extended it.
See how it's twisting?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just like a playground.
It is.
Going up that little satellite and bicentennial.
We had a little rocket ship.
Yeah, this is the Corona Arch.
We made it.
You made it.
Oh.
Oh, there he is. There's a squirrel over here. Chipmunk. Chipmunk.
Oh.
There he is. Oh, he's so fast.
We're on our sunset tour. This is Double Arch up here. Lots of people out right now, but we're having fun.
Well.
Hi everybody! We've kind of been bad at talking to the camera, so we're actually now on day 4 of our trip to Moab, Utah. We've done a lot of cool things so far that you have already seen or will see in the footage. The first day we went to Delicate Arch, and did we do another hike that day? I don't remember. But beautiful. And then we went kayaking. We did a kayak tour on the Colorado River. Second day, I think Joe and I just we hung out, and oh, that's when we went off-roading. Yes!
Yeah, that was a good day.
That was not planned. We were just kind of like driving on Potash Road and ended up on a dirt road, and like 3 hours later we were in Canyonlands somehow. So that was interesting, but very good views that we got to see. And then I guess
That puts us today. Wait.
today.
what's
I might
today,
have missed
Wednesday?
a day.
Tuesday. Wait, Monday we went to Canyonlands.
No, we didn't go to Canyonlands yet. Arches.
Yeah, we did. We drove through it because we did
Oh,
the dirt
Monday.
roads.
So then,
Was that Monday then? The days kind of run together.
and then today we hiked Devil's Garden in Arches. I think that was pretty much our last day in Arches. We spent a lot of time there, and then we're kind of just doing some running around. We've had a lot of good food and coffee. So yeah, so we're just kind of stopping at some of the local shops. We love the bookstore here. I don't remember what it's called.
Back of Beyond.
Back of Beyond Bookstore.
Back of Beyond Bookstore.
But yeah, we're having a lot of fun cruising around in the Jeep and getting lots of hikes in. My legs feel like mush right now. We're actually gonna run into this store called the Moab Barkery and get something for our Yogi Bear. I miss him so much. Thanks, Maddie. Shout out for dog sitting. But so we're gonna run in there, and then we'll stay tuned. We have some fun stuff this evening. Anything?
No, you covered it all.
Okay, cool.
Breakfast at the Moab garage.
So we're going on the Hell's Revenge UTV tour. Joe's in the driver's seat. We're gonna see how this goes.
I can't believe that Tacoma was coming up here.
Oh, shoot. Oh, look at this.
Macy's in the driver's seat now.
Wait for me.
Okay, so we survived Hell's Revenge UTV tours, and now we are hiking into a waterfall that you can swim in, swim under.
Swim under, yeah.
This is the Mesa Arch. We're getting the sunrise. Ped's getting some pictures.
Unfortunately, we're back at the airport. We did a lot of cool stuff on those few last days. We went to Dead Horse Point State Park for sunset, and also getting pictures at night, which were really cool. So I think, I don't know, Joe might put one here. He will now, since I pointed there. Then we did end up visiting Canyonlands on that last day. We were like dead tired, so we did a lot more of the overlooks, but we did some hiking with that too and saw some cool granaries and stuff. Most of the last day we just hung out with Ped and Lauren and played games, so it was overall an awesome trip. I'm really happy, and I don't know, sad to be going home. Anything from you?
We're excited to see Yogi Bear.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Can I get back to Yogi?
The Salt Lake City International Airport is smoke-free.